Hello guys, as usual, I'm Samir Srinath, and today we are going to do MCQ, fill in the blanks, and true and false like question from the chapter Gender, Religion, and Caste of class 10. So, without wasting our time, starting with the question 1. Question 1 is: women also do outside work like fetching water, collecting fuel, working in fields, all of the above. And this happen mostly in rural areas. All of the above is the correct answer. Not in the cities area. Now question 2. It is believed that the main responsibility of a girl is to take care of house, look after children, to cook, and all of the above. And again, all of the above is the correct answer. And now question 3. The participation of women in public life is very high in Sweden, Norway, Finland, and all of these. And again, all of these is the correct answer. Now question 4. Which is not a threat to Indian democracy? Low gender ratio, caste system, communalism, and none of these. And its correct answer is option A, low gender ratio. Now question 5. Communal politics is based on the idea that religion is the principal basis of social community, society, people, and none of the above. And its option 2 is the correct answer. Society. Now question 6. Choose the correct option about matriarchal society. Matriarchal society means society or the family is ruled by the father or the male one. So option A, educated society, male dominated society, female dominated society, and equal gender society. And it's female dominated society. Why I think it's wrong? Okay. Now question 7. Urban areas have become particularly dashed for women. Safe, unsafe, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. And its correct answer is unsafe. Now question 8. The hierarchical unequal roles assigned to men and women by the society is known as sex ratio, equal wages ratio, gender division, and male ratio. And it's gender division. Now question 9. Gender means differentiation between male and female based on sex, society, religion, and none of the above. And it's option A is the correct answer. Now question 10. Religion can never be separated from politics is said by, I think you all know that option C is the correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. So guys, just look at the question 6. Just write down in the comment section if you know the answer. Moving forward to the question 11. Family law deals with marriage, divorce, adoption, and inheritance. And it was already ticked. It's inheritance. Who will inherit the property of the family? That means family law. Now question 12. Most of the victims of communal right in our country are people from religious minority, women and children, illiterate people, and all of the above. And it's people from religious minority. Now question 13. Communalism problem is associated with religion, caste, secularism, and inequalities. And is option A, religion. Now question 14. Communal politics is based on the idea of caste is the basis of social community. Religion and caste are the basis of social community. Religion is the basic of social community and none of the above. And its correct answer is option C. Religion is the basic of social community. The women's movement is called women's movement, female agitation, feminist movement, and none of the above. And it's feminist movement. And now question 16. Which social division is unique to India? Economic division, caste division, racial division, and religion division. And it's caste division only happen in India. But in US and countries like America, option C was the correct answer. Now question 17. Heredity, ritual, birth are the basics of economic system, caste system, racial division, and class system. And its option B, caste system. Who among the following fought against caste inequalities? Pariyar Ramaswamy Nekar, B.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, and option D, all of them. And it's all of them, but I don't think so. Anyways, which factor does not weaken the caste inequalities? Urbanization, literacy growth, education, and politics. And it's option D, politics. Now question 20. The literacy rate among the women as compared to men is only 54%, 98%, 68%, 70%. And option A is the correct answer. Now question 21. Literacy rate means ratio of educated people in a country, uneducated people in a country, educated women in the country, all of the above. And it's option A, educated people in a country. Now question 22. I can zoom for you. The gender division is mainly private, public, both A and B, and none of the above. And its correct answer is option C, both A and B, private and public. Now moving to the question 23. In 2011, sex ratio was 914, 900, 850, and 950. And its correct answer is 914. So if you know what does sex ratio mean, just write the definition in the comment section. So moving to our question, like fill in the blank, and question 1 is women's movement have argued that dash of all religions discriminate against women, and its correct answer is family laws. Now question 2. Sex selective abortion led to a dash in sex ratio in the country to merely 914. Its decline. A communal mind often leads to quest for dash of one's own religious community and its political dominance, as it is happening in Pakistan like countries. Now question 4. Dash of gender division has helped to improve women's role in public life and its political expression. Now question 5. Caste system was based on exclusion of and discrimination against the dash groups and its outcast. Now question like true and false. Just say whether given a statement is true or false. In today's scenario, we can claim that casteism has completely disappeared from our society and politics, and is false, because without casteism and without vote bank of any caste, not any political parties can run their government. Now question 2. To a political party, vote bank of a caste means a large portion of voters from the caste may probably vote for a particular party. Yes, it is true. Now question 3. Political parties and candidates hardly use caste sentiment, and is false, because it is mostly used by them. Now question 4. How are boys and girls bought up in India for the division of labor? True. Now question 5. Shifting of population from rural to urban area is known as migration, and is false. It is known as urbanization. So we have done all the questions, and I think it's too night to sleep. 1:26 am. So just check our playlist for more videos like this, and just hit the subscribe button and like the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, have a good night.